Waking up early. Waking up early is a very good habit. Many people say, the early bird catches the worm. This means that when you wake up early, you have more time to do good things. I try to wake up early every day, and it makes my life better. When I wake up early in the morning, the world is quiet, the air is fresh, and I can hear the birds singing. The sun is rising, and the sky looks beautiful. These things make me feel happy and calm. It is a peaceful start to my day. After waking up early, I have enough time to do everything without hurry. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. If I wake up late, I must rush, and I forget many things. But when I wake up early, I can prepare slowly and carefully. I also have time to eat breakfast. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy. When I wake up early, I can sit at the table and enjoy healthy food with my family. Sometimes we eat bread, eggs, or fruits. Eating breakfast together makes me feel close to my family. Waking up early also gives me time to study. Before school, I can read my books or review my lessons. My mind is fresh in the morning, and I can learn better. If I wake up late, I lose this chance. Studying in the morning helps me do well in school. After school, I still feel strong and active if I started my day early. I can finish my homework, help my family, and play with my friends. I do not feel lazy or tired because waking up early gives me more energy. At night, I can go to bed earlier because I finished all my work on time. This makes me healthy. Doctors say that people who sleep early and wake up early have better health. They feel less stress and live a happier life. Sometimes I do not want to wake up early. I feel sleepy, and I want to stay in bed. But I remind myself of the good things that happen when I wake up early. I remember the fresh air, the time with my family, and the chance to study. These thoughts help me get up. Waking up early also teaches me discipline. It shows that I can control myself. If I set an alarm and follow it, I am training myself to be strong. This small habit can help me in many parts of life. I believe that waking up early is one of the best habits. It makes me healthier, smarter, and happier. It gives me time to do everything I want without stress. That is why I try to wake up early every day. Waking up early is not easy, but it is always worth it.